One of the examples of technical communication I really like is a video created by CEPIADET, or the Centro Profesional Indígena de Asesoría, Defensa y Traducción, which is an NGO in Oaxaca, Mexico, run by indigenous attorneys who provide legal and translation services in various indigenous languages of the region. The animated short video tells the story of Julia, an indigenous language speaker incarcerated for transporting cannabis. Its purpose is to tell the circumstances in which she committed the crime and how she was sentenced without an interpreter, violating her human and linguistic rights. The video is an excellent example of technical communication in a culturally and linguistically diverse context. First, the video exemplifies how indigenous technical communicators expand their oral and storytelling traditions in a contemporary context that shows the information via an animated video. Then the video is narrated by a Spanish speaker and also by Julia herself in her Zapotec indigenous language with subtitles in Spanish.
Desde más na terta somos que non tisa terirron na sa concha con ni combina con terilil na samnemot nganon lasna kana te yawin listana na terta te disnonsa.
And because it is an animated video, it is easy to follow even if a viewer doesn't speak Spanish. It provides key terms in Spanish throughout the video that an English speaker viewer can easily understand, because most of these terms are cognates, or words with similar roots in both English and Spanish, and thus are very similar. The video is also a great example of linguistic justice enactment in technical communication, not only because of its content, but also because of its design. So if you want to find out more videos like this, you can check out CEPIADET's YouTube channel.